Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forexlive August 3, 1742 America, New York. More on Fed's Waller's tilt to less dovish. Listen out for Clarida following suit. Richard Clarida is Vice Chair of the Federal Reserve. He is scheduled to speak Wednesday, the 4th of August 2021. Nomura noticed what Waller said. In case you missed it, Fed's Waller concedes a tapering announcement could come in September.
New York Times Business. August 3, 13 America, New York. After months of avoiding the vaccine issue, companies begin to mandate. Tyson and Microsoft were the latest to require employees to be vaccinated. Other major employers have tried less sweeping approaches. An AMP. LDQUO. We did not take this decision lightly. An AMP. RDQUO. Tyson and AMP. RSQUO. As chief executive said of mandating that employees be vaccinated.
Forexlive August 3, 12 America, New York. Forexlive Americas FX news wrap. Crude oil falls below $70 but rebounds on Mideast tensions. US dollar lower on the day. Forex news for North American trading on August 3, 2021. The price of oil had a down and up ride today as concerns about a COVID slowdown in Mideast, Iranian tensions weighed on prices before lifting them back up. The run to the downside took the price of crude back below the $70 level to a Forexlive August 3, 10 America, New York. New Zealand jobs report due today is the last piece of major data ahead of the RBNZ August meeting. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand policy decision is due on the 18th of August. The data due from NZ today, at 2245 GMT. New Zealand jobs report for Q2 is the final piece of key data ahead of the policy meeting.
Marginal Revolution. August 3, 1708 America, New York. Tuesday. Assorted links. 1. Are tunnels our transportation future? 2. American Bankers Association suggests partnership with crypto firms. 3. Which stocks are being traded on Capitol Hill?
Forexlive August 3, 48 America, New York. Trade Ideas thread. Wednesday, the 4th of August 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forexlive traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forexlive traders, please do so. Forexlive August 3, 43 America, New York. Japan earthquake magnitude 5.9 off the coast north of Tokyo. The quake was off the coast of Ibaraki Prefecture. You can see its relationship to Tokyo in the pic below. No tsunami alert has been issued. No further info at this stage, although there are numerous aftershock tremors being reported. Forexlive August 3, 32 America, New York. Private oil survey data shows smaller than expected headline draw in crude oil inventory. The inventory data from the private survey is out now. Official data follows WED. Morning, U.S. time. Zero hedge with the numbers. I had seen expectations for the crude headline circa minus 3.1 meters BBL.
New York Times Business. August 3, 27 America, New York. Spirit Airlines and American Airlines cancel hundreds of flights. Bad weather and pandemic-related staffing issues have caused occasional disruptions this summer as air travel rebounds. New York Times Business. August 3, 18 America, New York. Spirit Airlines and American Airlines cancel hundreds of flights. Bad weather and pandemic-related staffing issues have caused occasional disruptions this summer as air travel rebounds.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 3, 14 America, New York. Lumen Technologies to sell U.S. telecom assets to Apollo for $7.5 billion. The investment giant will carve out some of Lumen's so-called incumbent local exchange carrier assets, a collection of telephone and broadband infrastructure that covers 6 million residential and business customers across 20 states.
Forexlive August 3, 09 America, New York. U.S. stocks close higher and near session highs. Record close for the S&P 500. The major U.S. stock indices are closing higher and near session highs. The final numbers are showing. Some big winners today included. Forexlive August 3, 01 America, New York. Economic calendar due from Asia today. New Zealand Q2 jobs report. New Zealand official employment report for the second quarter of 2021 is due today. We have had the two manufacturing PMIs from Australia for July earlier this week, 2,245 GMT New Zealand jobs report for Q2. Forexlive August 3, 15:30 America New York, AUD/USD moves toward recent swing highs. AUD/USD has had an up-down and back-up day today. The AUD/USD moved higher in the late Asian session after the RBA said they would stay the course with their QE plans.
Google Business News, August 3, 15:05 America New York. Auto Expo postponed in India 2022 due to COVID-19 third wave, TNTribune.com. Auto Expo postponed in India 2022 due to COVID-19 third wave, TNTribune.com. Google Business News, August 3, 15:05 America New York. Auto Expo postponed in India 2022 due to COVID-19 third wave, TNTribune.com. Auto Expo postponed in India 2022 due to COVID-19 third wave, TNTribune.com.
New York Times Business, August 3, 14:45 America New York. Chris Cuomo of CNN appears in report on Governor Cuomo's behavior. The CNN star was interviewed for the report, from the New York's Attorney General, and one document shows Chris Cuomo taking part in an email chain as a formal public statement was drafted for the governor. Chris Cuomo apologized in May for giving political advice to his brother, government.
Forexlive August 3, 14:42 America New York. WTI crude oil futures settle at $70.56 per. Down 70 cents or minus 0.98%. The high price reached the $71.92 while the low price extended down to $69.18 before bouncing. That low was the lowest level since July 21.
The Library of Economics and Liberty, August 3, 14:27 America New York. Travel from Canada to the United States. A public service. I posted recently about the mess at the Canadian border when I drove to Canada a week ago Sunday. One commenter, Dylan, found it useful. If that commenter and others read other websites, they might be misinformed about the return to the United States. New York Times Business, August 3, 14:19 America New York. Reese Witherspoon to sell Hello Sunshine to Wall Street-backed venture. With the planned sale of Hello Sunshine, the studio she started in 2016, the Oscar winner joins the ranks of Hollywood's power brokers. Reese Witherspoon started Hello Sunshine in 2016 with the idea of creating movies and shows centered on women.